We're looking at a bustling 13-horse UBS. Straightforward, infinitely variable drive machine with a drive motor on each wheel. What the machine can do is power 3 brushless sweepers, etc. Here we've got a salon flail, which is a 90 centimetre lighter duty flail, cutting through grass. It hasn't been cut for 10 years. And you see there's a sharp drive, straight cut jag with wide blade back to back. Certainly going on through with a pretty fine finish. No effort involved from the operators, all steered by levers, and being a walking tractor, it's extremely versatile. It's just one of the accessories we can put with this machine to give ease of use and low cost of ownership. The more accessories you buy, more attachments, the cheaper the whole unit becomes. We're running on 16 6/8 cleats to give it traction, build a plough, and the machine will do 20 degrees maximum. So it's a very versatile bit of kit that can be used all year round. It's a machine for all seasons with an attachment for all seasons. So what we do is we bring the roller up out of the way and we set the wheel on the hard surface and the blades go in. You always run it slightly nose down here so the blades go in. If you have it horizontal or tail down, the blades won't penetrate. We generally go in the least possible. So you can break the crumb on the top to get through that hard pan to allow drainage and also chop the weeds.